You guys keep sending us some amazing slime ideas. So today, I'm gonna make some of my favorites. Make sure to stick around until the end because the last slime idea is probably the craziest one we've ever received. Our first slime idea came in a really interesting little package. It's like a little card game, so you pull it here. Whoa! So this slime idea is from Kaylee. Oh, okay, so we have a couple of ideas. So far, I really like this one. It's an icy polar crunch idea, and I love polar bears, so I'm gonna go with this one. It looks like this is a Floam and Snow Fizz slime, so let's go get our bases. So I have my textures, and let's dye our Floam slime a nice blue color. We have sky blue to represent that nice Arctic water where polar bears love to swim in and hang out. Now, polar bears are quite the unique creature. While they're really cute, they're also very deadly. But today we're going for a cute polar bear theme. Our slime is dyed. Now let's assemble it. Kaylee wants like a nice half and half base, so we're gonna do half of it white. This is the Arctic ice. To me, the top part is like the snowflakes. Who knows the true color of snowflakes, but to me, this is snowflakes. So that's gonna be the top part of our base. Now that our slime is assembled, let's take a trip to Charmville to find the perfect sprinkles for this slime. I need to find something that's giving the North Pole vibes. I think I know which sprinkle mix is gonna be perfect for this. It's literally called North Pole Freeze. And I love that it has like little penguins on it. I love the colors in this, so yeah, I think we found our perfect sprinkle mix. But also, I'm gonna grab some snowflakes too. Look at these little snowflakes. They're so cute. We got our sprinkle mix. Let's get back to slime making. So we have a nice little sprinkle mix. It has some cute little penguins on it. These penguins are friends with the polar bears. Usually they're not friends, but in this case they are friends. Let's add some of these little snowflakes, some nice little pearls, and I got 2 snowflake charms. To top this off, I have the perfect clay. A cute little polar bear. He's a little derpy, but I love him. Let's add him to our slime. This is awesome because now you're gonna be able to squish it into your slime. It's a really cool clay kit. I hope you love it. Also, I hope you get it before Christmas. Oh, there's also one more thing I forgot. We have a custom label. I made a custom label for your slime. It has a really cute polar bear on it, and you named this one Icy Polar Crunch. I love that title. Slap it on our container, and there you have it, Kaylee, your very own polar bear slime. All right, let's move on to the next one. Up next, we have 2 ideas from 2 sisters, from Eva and Lexi. Eva's idea is titled Tangled in Slime, inspired by the Disney movie Tangled. It's a thick and glossy slime with 2 shades of yellow. I have my thick and glossy. Let's dye our slime. I love that this slime is inspired by Tangled. When I was little, that was my favorite movie. And when I turned 12, I had a Tangled themed birthday party. I had a whole wig that was made just for that special day. So I'm happy to be making a Tangled themed slime. This part of the slime base is gonna be kind of a nice pastel, darker lemon yellow. For this side, I want to make it much lighter, so it has some nice contrast. So Eva designed a really nice little pattern here for the slime base. I don't know how I could recreate that, but I'm just gonna get creative with it. So I'm gonna flatten out my slime and kind of drizzle the darker shade on it. All right, I'm gonna flip it over like a pancake. Oh. That's a good pancake. Ooh, wait, I kind of like that. It's like a really nice marble effect. Not bad. All right. I'm honestly really happy with how this turned out. This slime is looking great so far. Let's take another trip to Charmville and grab our sprinkle mix. One thing we know about Rapunzel is that she loves being outside in nature. I have some perfect little leaf charms, and I really like these purple flowers. It reminds me of the ones that she places on her hair. We still need some sprinkles. Oh, you know what? I love the sprinkle mix for Fairy Hot Springs. It honestly really reminds me of Rapunzel, so let's go with this one. Rapunzel's the kind of girl that loves spending time outside, so I think this sprinkle mix matches her vibe. Let's add this nice little leaf charm and a flower. And to top it off, I have some really unique clays. We have some beautiful flowers that go on Rapunzel's hair, and we even have her hairbrush. I went up to Rapunzel myself and asked her if I could borrow this hairbrush. She said yes, so here it is. These are all her accessories. It's a lot of flowers. So slay. What a beautiful slime. All right, let's add our label. For this label, I went all out and added Rapunzel to it. She even has Pascal on her head. There we go. This is such a fun slime. I love the name too. Tangled in Slime. That's a clever name. Ava, keep your eyes open because this slime is gonna be coming in the mail pretty soon. Let's move on to your sister slime, Lexi. So this next idea is from Lexi. She wants me to make a flamingo inspired slime. She also said that she loves playing ukulele and has 16 flamingos. That's crazy. I wish I had 16 flamingos. I only have 3. For this slime, it's giving me island tropical vibes, so let's get our bases. This slime is gonna be a combination of a blue, thick and glossy, and a yellow, sandy color on our icy. So I'm gonna dye this thick and glossy to match the color of the ocean. All right, our blue base is ready. For this icy slime, I need to create the perfect sandy color. I think some lemon yellow and maybe a bit of brown will do the trick. There we go. Oh, that was too much. It's okay. There are no mistakes in slime mixing, just happy accidents. I think it's perfect. I even love that the cloud dough texture has this like grainy look to it that looks like sand. So let's start assembling our slime. So half is gonna be the beautiful waters of Florida. Whenever I think of flamingos, I think of Florida. I don't know why. And this right here is gonna be our sand. Our nice, chunky, luscious sand. To top it off, we need 16 flamingos. All right, so I couldn't hire 16 flamingos for this, but I got one. And he's a talented flamingo because he plays the ukulele. So let's add him to our slime. This flamingo spends his afternoons chilling by the water, playing the ukulele for all of his nice buddies. His name is Bob. Looks like we forgot one little detail. Lexi drew a peach on this drawing, so we need to add a peach. It's a little afternoon snack for Bob because he's working really hard keeping his flamingo friends entertained, all 16 of them. And now it's time to add our custom label. We have a flamingo party! Look at this flamingo chilling under a rainbow in paradise. Let's slap it on our slime. And there we have it. A nice flamingo party slime for you, Lexi. I hope you guys love your slimes. But before we move on to the last idea, I want to show you guys one of our awesome new winter slimes. It's called Santa's Helpers. It has a cute little reindeer and a little bear, and it's a cloud dough slime. It smells like warm cookies. It's perfect for the holidays, so make sure to go get a slime at peachybbies.com. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Don't miss our next restock and get yourself a winter slime. All right, let's move on to our last and final slime. And now it's time for my favorite slime idea we've ever seen. Space cat. Sadie wants me to do a space cat inspired slime. It's gonna be a thick and glossy with cloud dough base. And for the thick and glossy, we're gonna dye it black. So I have our blackest black pigment. All right, we gotta be careful. I'm just gonna add a little dollop of black. Come on. Oh, happens every time. Turning into a nice dark gray shade, but it needs to be darker. It needs to look like space. I'm also gonna add some navy blue. I feel like that'll make it look more spacey. Add a little happy face. Hopefully this makes the shade a bit darker. We gotta get the perfect shade. For the thick and glossy, I'm gonna add some glitter because I kind of want to make that represent the stars in the galaxy. So let's go get some glitter. I got this really beautiful holographic glitter. Sprinkle that on our slime. So I'm gonna set this aside. Oh, it looks like I got the wrong one. I got cloud dough, but she wants a blue clear slime. So let me go get some clear slime. All right, so we have our clear slime and I'm gonna dye it a nice neon blue color. I love that you made this into a clear slime with thick and glossy because those two bases together make an awesome slime texture. All right, so we have our clear slime. It's a nice blue shade, and I'm also gonna add some of this glitter to it because I wanna make it look super spacey. Mix that in. Also, as the glitter mixes into our slime, it creates this really nice galaxy effect, which is perfect for the theme of this slime. Now, let's assemble our space cat slime. For the bottom part, we're doing this nice black shade. We did like a space gray, and the top is gonna have this beautiful blue galaxy. All right, now it's time to top it off with the one and only Space Cat. This little dude is gonna hang out at the top of our slime. He's traveling across space. And I'm also gonna add this UFO that spies on our cat and some little planets and stars that I'll sprinkle on our slime. Sadie, I made this awesome label with a space cat on it. I love his little face. He's questioning all his decisions, and it's perfect for this slime. There you go, Sadie. Honestly, this is my favorite idea that I've ever received. When I saw it, I got so excited. I love space-themed things. My dog's name is Spacey, so this is a perfect slime. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to keep sending in your awesome slime ideas because I might include them in our next video. Also, if this video gets 3,000 likes, I'm gonna be a dinosaur in my next video. Make sure to like this video. I already have the costume for it and I really wanna be a dinosaur, so like the video. Bye guys.